In this video, I will demonstrate a technique for easy sketching on black paper. This video shows the whole process of step-by-step sketching on black paper so you can follow along easily. You can find the full list of materials I'm using in the description below. There's also a link to the photo I used as reference if you'd like to check it out. I'm using a print of my reference photo to mark the extreme points of the object I'm drawing. I'm folding the paper along the lines I want to mark. Since I'm sketching on black paper, I'm using white colored pencil. My preferred colored pencil for this is the Faber Castell Polychromos Colored Pencil 101 White. Once I'm done marking the main lines, I remove the reference photo and make my final sketch freehand, using the lines I made as guidelines, still using the white Polychromos colored pencil. This means that the sketch won't look too stiff and that the lines won't be uncertain or wobbly. This colored pencil on black paper sketching technique ensures that your sketches are accurate, but that you still have some fun with sketching and that you can do some freehanding. I think it offers a nice balance between the two, so I wanted to share it with everyone who might find it useful or interesting. If you want to watch this drawing process in more detail, check out the real-time drawing video by following the link in the description. Once I'm done, I use Pentel Clic eraser to clean up the sketch and then a kneadable eraser to brighten it before moving on to coloring. If you want to see how I colored this sketch, you can find the link to the coloring video in the description. If you like this video about easy sketching on black paper, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more content about drawing. If this sketching technique doesn't work for you, check out my video about how to sketch on black paper using the grid method. You might like that technique better.